Boniface Mwangi manyocha omagio kwachki chieng' Jumamos kaitude kod ketho mag njore ne owe thuolo gi doho makahawa kod rambun mar omenda maromo siling milion 1 ka ketho mag njore manodonynego bende owitoko. Enyim jang'ad bura Gideon Kiagi, Boniface ne ochwal mar chiwo duoko ewi burano tok din ne tesendo bila mapangani. Okwach kich noyango nine gindhio Boniface gi okebe adek mag iro kato okebe adek mag iro malungo wang' kachiel kod opoklo mag magina. Boniface owuon to yango ni ne ondhi kaitude kod chiwo omenda ne jong'anyo kachiel kod jogo mane ketho mwandu e kinde ng'anyo madwe mokalo. Bende oyango ni ngimane ni kamarach werani sirikal dwaro nege.
Having taken into account the nature of the offense that the accused person faces, and also having considered all the circumstances that have been presented before the court, this court makes the following orders. The accused person may be set at liberty upon securing a personal bond of 1 million shillings with one surety of a similar amount.
The judiciary is out in defense. Today they have admitted Boniface Mwangi to a free bond. That's a free bond because they have realized that Mr. William Ruto is using the system to cajole the dissident voices.
If Ruto wants to be the ODPP, then he should become the ODPP. Otherwise, let the courts do their jobs, and he should lead this country, which he has failed to do. So he needs to step aside and let this country be run with the institutions.
So they thought I had money in the office. If you look at the search warrant, said that they have information that I use Mageuzi to distribute money to goons. I have never worked with goons my entire life. I know for sure what Murkomen and Ruto want to do to me, and I'll say this without fear. They want to give me a bad name so they can kill me. But let me tell you the truth is, if you smell the air right now, change is coming, and you cannot stop change.
Achie maro mapaga chiel ma nyoma kigio bila mago kwach kiche gweng mabinzaro mantir machiegni gi Shakahola no